Standard 6 English medium maths. Yesterday we started chapter number 3, playing with numbers, in which we learn what are the factors, what are the multiples of the given number, and some facts about the numbers like the factors and the multiples. Today we are going to start exercise 3.1. Question 1 says that write all the factors of the following numbers. Of the following numbers. First one is 24. Now 24 can be written as 24 is equal to 1 into 24. 24 is divisible by 2 also. So 2 multiplied by 12. 24 is equal to 3. 8s are also 24. 24 is equal to 4. 6s are also 24. Then it is not divisible by 5. It is divisible by 6. So 24 is equal to 6 multiplied by 4. Which is repeating, so now we have to stop. Don't go further. So now factors of 24 are 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 6, 12 and 24. Because if you go forward, you will get the same 3 8s are 8 3s are back, and therefore when it is repeats or same number coming, then we have to stop going forward. So here we get all the factors of 24 are 1 2 3 4 6 12, also 8 we forgot. So 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. Then second number B is 15. So now 15, 1 multiplied by 15. We cannot divide 15 by 2 because it is odd number. 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Then 15 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. Here also you have to stop now because 3 5s are 5 3s is the same thing. Therefore, factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. That are the only factors of 15. Number C is 21. So 21 is equal to, first 1 multiplied by 21 must be there, because we know that 1 is the factor of all the numbers. It is not divisible by 2. 3 7s are 21. So we will write down 3 multiplied by 7. Then it is not divisible by 4 because it is not coming in the 4th table. In 5 tables also not there. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 20, so it is not. 7, yes, so 21 is equal to 7 into 3. So you can see that it is repeating 3 7 7 3. So we have to stop. Therefore, factors of 21 are 1, then 3, then 7 and 21 itself. Then we will take the D one. D is 27. So 27 can be written as 1 into 27. 27, 3 nines are also 27. Then it is not divisible by 4, not by 5, 6 also not. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, so not divisible by 7 also. 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, so it is not divisible by 8 also. So 9. So 27 is equal to 9 multiplied by 3. So you can see that it is the same factors. So we have to stop here. So factors of 27 are 1, 2, 3, then 9 and 27 itself. Now E. In E it is 12. So 12 is equal to 1 multiplied by 12, that we know. 12 is divisible by 2 because 2 6 are 12. 12 is divisible by 3 also because in 3 tables 3 4s are 12. Then in 4th table it is 4 3s are 12. So it is repeating now, 3 4s are and 4 3s are. So we have to stop because we can't get more factors. Therefore, factors of 12 are 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6 and 12. Now F. In F, it is number 20. So now 20 is equal to 1 multiplied by 20. 20 is divisible by 2 also, 2 10s are 20. Not divisible by 3, but 4. 4 5s are 20. Also divisible by 5 because it is 5 4s are 20. So here we have to stop because same factors came back. 4 5s are 5 4s are is the same thing. Therefore, factors of 20 are, so 1, then 2, then 4, then 5, then 10 and 20. Whatever number came in here, by the multiplication we have to write it down. Then the G. In G it is 18. So 18 is equal to 1 multiplied by 18. 18 is 2 9s are 18. 18 is 3 6s are 18. Then 18 not divisible by 4? No. 5? No. 6 3s are. So we have to stop because 3 6s are 6 3s are is same thing. Therefore, factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Then in H, it is the number 23. So 23 is equal to 1 into 23. Now 23 cannot be in the 2s. 11 2s are, but 12 2s are is 24. 3 are, 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24, so it is not divisible by 3. Not even 4, 5, because 5 5s are 25, so not there. 6, no. 7, 7 3s are no. 8, 8 3s are 24, so not there. 9, 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18, so not divisible by. So if you go on and on and on, 23 is not coming in any table. So only the factors are 23 is equal to 1 into 23 and 23 is equal to 23 into 1. It means only two factors. Therefore, factors of 23 are 1 and 23. There are only two factors. We will learn later about it that when there are two factors only, the number itself and 1, then they are known as the prime numbers. Now the I, the last one is 36. So we will write down 36, 136. 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 18. 36, 3 multiplied by 12. 36, 4 9s are 36. They are not divisible by 5. Then 36 is 6 6 are 36. So now also both the same came, 6 and 6. Here also we have to stop. We don't have to go forward because we will get all the factors. So factors of 36 are, so 1, 2, 3 also, 4 also, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 18 and 36. There are lots of factors of 36. Before we go to the question number 2, there was a mistake here. Then I wrote down by mistake it was a 2 also the factor. But 2 is not the factor of 27. So factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27 only. Now question number 2. In which what we have to do? Write first 5 multiples. Write first 5 multiples of first one is 5. So for writing the multiples, we have to multiply these numbers with the integers. I mean the natural numbers. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. Because we have to write down only first 5. Therefore, first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So it is very simple to write down. Second is the number 8. So here also we have to do the same thing. We have to multiply 8 with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32 and 8 fives are, that is 40. Therefore, first 5 multiples of 8 are 8 itself, 16, 24, 32 and 40. The third one is number 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36 9 5s are 45. Therefore, first 5 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Those are the first 5 multiples of 9. So it is very simple to write down the multiples of the given number. Now we will do the question number 3. The question number 3. It shows we have to match the column. Match the column 1 and 2. We have to match these columns. Column 1. In column 1, the first one is 35, second is 15, third is 16, fourth is 20 and fifth is 25. And in column 2, A is multiple of 8, the B is multiple of 7, C is multiple of 70, multiple of 70, D is factor of 30, E is factor of 50, and F, so there is one extra, so we have to write down the real answer. F is factor of 20. So now we are going to write down the answers here. So we know that column 1. Okay, we will write down directly the answer. Don't write down column 1. First one is 35. Find out what is 35. Is it a multiple of 8? No. Is it multiple of 7? Yes. 7 5s are 35. So answer is multiple of 7. Second is 15. So that is gone. For so long we can make a tick mark, so we know that the answer is gone. 15 now. 15 is not a multiple of 80. 15 is not a multiple of 70 also. 15 is a factor of 30. Yes, 15 to the 30. So it is gone. So factor of 30. So that is also gone. Now 16. Third one is 16. What will come with 16? So again we start for the first one. It is a multiple of 8. Yes, 8 to the 16. So 8 is also gone. So answer is multiple of 8. Number 4 is number 20. Now A is gone, B is gone. Check. Is it multiple of 70? No. Factors of 50, 20? No. Factors of 20? Yes. A number itself can be the factor of itself. So it is factor of 20. So that is also gone. The last one, 25. Now there are two options remaining, either C or E. So you can see that multiple of 70, it cannot be factors of 50. Yes, 25 2s are 50. So 25, it already get answer in front of it. So the answer is factor of 50. So it is very simple. We have to check one by one what are the answers, and then we can match these columns. So now there is a last question remaining, question number 4, and it is very simple. So I think you can do that question for your homework, in which only we have to find the multiples of 9 up to 100. We start 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, up to it mustn't exceed 100. Then you have to stop. Like 11 9s are 99. Then you have to stop, because 12 9s will be 108. So up to 100, whatever are the multiples, you have to write it down, that last question. So now we are going to stop the video. It will be followed by the PDF file. You have to write down in the notebook, and any query, confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.